What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new gold exploration stock called Graycliff Exploration. Graycliff Exploration is located in Ontario, Canada, so a very safe mining jurisdiction, and we're going to be going over their land package, the opportunity for the company, along with we will be interviewing their CEO and dropping the video just a little bit later on this week. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. All the support, all the likes, it means the world to me, along with all of the comments. So if you do support me in the channel and all the videos, then I kindly ask for two things, and that first thing, of course, is to explode that like button, along with if you are a new viewer to the channel but you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet you appreciate constant steady updates in the markets, a nice flow of new and exciting companies just like Graycliff Exploration, or you want to learn a little bit more about investing, of course, then don't forget to cash that subscribe button and ring the market bell for notifications. Now let's get straight into this in-depth overview video about Graycliff Exploration and what they do. So Graycliff Exploration, first let's take a look at the stock and see how it's performed. It's got a 52-week range of 30 cents to 87 cents and a market cap of just 11 million Canadian dollars. So it is traded on the CSE under ticker symbol GRAY. So let's see how the stock's performed over the last year, and it's been on a nice steady climb. We've leveled out right around the 70-cent level. And with gold and silver picking back up, this could be a really interesting time to take a look at the company. So let's dive into their website first. We're going to quickly go over their investor presentation and some recent news, along with why it might be a very interesting time to take a look at the company. So head on over to their website, graycliffexploration.com. As we can see here, traded on the CSE and the FSE under ticker symbol GEO. So Graycliff Exploration, world-class mining jurisdiction. Graycliff Exploration is a Canadian-based junior exploration company with its gold property located on 516.8 hectares in a historic gold-producing area of Ontario. So for anyone who doesn't know, Ontario is the most populous province in Canada. So very safe mining jurisdiction. So let's take a look at their Shakespeare property. This is their flagship property. So the Shakespeare property is located in the area of the historic Shakespeare mine, 80 kilometers west of Sudbury, Ontario. The mine is reported to have produced more than 2,900 ounces of gold in the early 1900s. So, project overview: historic gold producer. Graycliff Exploration has 100% ownership stake in the Shakespeare Gold Project in Ontario, Canada. Our team has reviewed all historical reports available, and we plan to initiate our exploration and drilling program in Q3 2020. So, we are in Q3 now, so let's talk about that. So Graycliff Exploration commences their 2020 exploration program. So they have, in fact, commenced their 2020 exploration program. The company is pleased to announce the commencement of the 2020 exploration program on the company's 517-hectare Shakespeare gold property located in the prolific Canadian Shield near Sudbury, Ontario. So let's take a look and see what this exploration program entails, because, exploration companies, sometimes it takes them years to get to this point. So why is a good time to take a look at Graycliff Exploration now? Well, usually when the company starts to initiate their drill program, that's when things get exciting. That's when they have the potential to hit a major discovery. So exploration highlights include historical data, compilation and desktop analysis of historic work, line cutting and prospect mapping of all historical trenches, IP and geophysical surveys, highlight drill targets, and their drilling program of approximately 2,000 meters of diamond drilling. So it's nice to know that they've started their exploration program. Now let's take a look at the property a little bit further. So location: located 88 kilometers west of Sudbury. The Shakespeare property is located in Shakespeare Township, approximately 80 kilometers west of Sudbury. The closest town is Webwood. Population 458, 4 kilometers south of the property. The next closest town of Espanola, population 5,300 people, located 11 kilometers east of Webwood. Legal access to the property is on public roads. Water is readily available from streams and lakes on the property. General resources are available at nearby towns of Espanola and Webwood, including housing and accommodation, fuel, mechanic supplies, food, local skilled workers, and heavy equipment. So it's not like it's in the middle of nowhere with no infrastructure. It's less than 100 kilometers from a major city in Ontario. So very great mining jurisdiction. So let's talk about the claims now. So 24 mineral claims covering 517 hectares in 2 continuous blocks. The property is located in the area of the historic Shakespeare gold mine, which was in operation from 1903 to 1907. A total of 2,959 ounces of gold were produced from 6 underground levels. Historic exploration was completed on the property intermittently between 1938 and 2014, including trenching, sampling, and limited drilling. Based on descriptions of the mineralization at the historic Shakespeare mine, the exploration model suggested for the Shakespeare property is the model of orogenic gold deposits. So here we can see their NI 43-101 technical report. So I do highly encourage, someone who's interested in the company to in fact download that and take a look at the technical report. This is all part of doing your own research and due diligence when it comes to an exploration stage company. Also take a look at their management team. Board has a strong management expertise in gold startups and track record of success in Canada. We maintain a tightly held share structure with management and strategic investors owning over 60% of the company. So that in itself is very important. Having skin in the game, with management owning more than 50% of the company. Very, very important. Hopefully we can see, this video soon on their website in terms of media coverage. But let's take a look at their investor presentation real quick, guys. So Graycliff highlights, company has 100% interest in the Shakespeare Gold Project in Ontario, Canada. Deep experience, management expertise in gold startups. Strong board with success in Canada. And tightly held share structure. As we can see there, guys, just to reiterate, that's the map of Ontario. That's where Sudbury is. Toronto is just a couple hours south of Sudbury, and we've got the mine right there. So essentially in between Sudbury and Sault Ste. Marie. So a very well-known area of Ontario. Potential for significant strike length. Shakespeare project. This is when it comes to geology. So major northeast trending faults cross through the area. A series of quartz veins and stock works of quartz veins containing sulfides have been identified on the property. Quartz veins identified a considerable distance to the northeast of the former mine's site, suggesting a regional structure. Potential for other gold discoveries along the prospective Shakespeare gold-bearing horizon of greater than 9 kilometers. When it comes to the mines and the area's historical production, property potential yet to be fully realized. The Shakespeare mine operated from 1903 to 1907, produced 2,959 ounces of gold when gold was just $19 per ounce. Wow. There has been a limited historical exploration and drilling carried out until 2014, when a new strategy was developed and partially tested. The results included 2 grams per ton over 3 meters and 15 grams per ton gold over 4 meters, which also included 4.9 and 48 grams per ton over 1 meter. Our team has revised all historical reports available, and we plan to initiate our exploration drill program in Q3 of 2020, which they have in fact already initiated due to that press release just a couple weeks ago, guys. So let's take a look at phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 1 was already completed. Data compilation, analysis of 2014 and 2018 drill program, study of 2020 magnetic and IP surveys, 3D modeling of current and historical data, identify priority drilling targets, and then Q3, that's what we're in right now, diamond drilling 1,000 meters, focus testing area around the mine shaft to confirm system of veins and high priority targets along strike. Also take a look at management and the board. This is the last subject that we're going to talk on, but I just wanted to talk about the president and director and their CFO, CPA, and director. So the president and director, over 34 years of experience in mineral exploration, mining, research analysis, corporate finance, and management of private and public resource companies. And then of course their CFO and director, chartered professional accountant for over 24 years of senior level public company experience, 14 years in the mining sector, currently CFO and director of Monterey Minerals. Key areas of expertise include corporate governance and regulatory matters. So guys, that sums it up for Graycliff Exploration. And it's a really interesting company to take a look at. It is a very small cap company, but these companies, it's in a safe mining jurisdiction. They're just starting their drill program. And the thing I'm excited the most for Graycliff Exploration is, the fact that they're now just starting their drill program, their exploration program, and hopefully they can deliver us some pretty exciting results. So this might be one to take a look at if you're looking for exposure to the gold mining sector, safe mining jurisdiction in Canada. There's a lot to take a look at for this company, and it's going to be interesting covering it. So look out for that CEO interview coming up not too long. And that's it for the video. Drop those comments below. Let me know what you think. And always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock. because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.